Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very pretty flower vase stand, and this is a miniature form which you can use to decorate your drawing room or your balcony, and all the flowers are made using paper quilling strips. Isn't it looking very pretty and beautiful? And the base is completely made using newspaper. Can you believe this? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking newspaper piece which measures 28 by 6 centimeters, and I will start making one pipe from one corner. Similarly, I have prepared some more pipes with the same measurements. Now I have cut my pipes into equal length, and the length is 15 centimeters, and now I am joining total 7 pipes of 15 centimeters with each other to create the first layer of the base. And this is done. Allow it to dry. Then to give it nice support and strength, I am adding one piece of cardboard on back side of this so that it will stand nicely. Then I am taking 1.5 centimeter light blue color strip and making one tight coil to create 4 corners of the stand. Similarly, I have prepared 3 more tight coils. So I'm just joining all 4 tight coils in 4 corners of this base. And this is done. It's standing nicely. Now with the same procedure, I have created one more base for second layer which is having 9.5 centimeter length, and also here I have joined 7 pipes, and the mini one which is having 3.5 centimeter length, and here also I have joined total 7 pipes and already added the bases coils with these 2 stands. Now I am sticking all these 3 stands together. So just joining the middle one on top of the bigger one, and then on the topmost part I will add the smallest stand. Align it nicely in the center and the stand is ready. Very easy. Then to decorate the stand, I have these beautiful filigree clay designs which are made using molds, and here I have used sakura clay to create these designs, and now I'm just decorating my stand using these beautiful molded clay patterns. And if you want to know how to create these using molds and clay, I have given link in description box, you can check there. Now I'm just decorating all 3 layers using these beautiful designs. And this is completely done and dried. Now it's time to color whole base using white colored chalk paint. I have also decorated the edges using this rope clay design, and then I'm just coloring it completely. So it's covered nicely. Now to do the second coat, I am taking here off-white color chalk paint and coloring it from front and back. Like this. Now to highlight all these filigree portion, I am taking here golden acrylic paint and just doing the dry brushing technique on the design so that it will get highlighted more. And very pretty stand is ready. Allow it to dry completely. Then we'll start making our flowers with the vase. So to create the vase or pot, here I am taking total 7 strips of off-white color in 3 mm and making one big tight coil. So tight coil is ready. Now taking quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Opening the dome little bit more to create the pot shape. Then just tapping in the center using backside of any glue cap or any small circular thing to make the flat base, and then filling this pot using glue to make it sturdy. And this is done. Now it's dried and it's time to color this from outer side. So here I'm taking dark brown color chalk paint and just coloring it completely. You can also use acrylic colors. Like this, allow it to dry. Then taking one small piece of foam in the circular shape and sticking it exactly in the pot so that we can tuck our flowers easily. Now to start with first flower, I am taking here half strip of light pink color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. I will join total 5 petals together to make the flower. Allow it to dry. Till that time we will create the leaves. For this I am taking this 9 by 1.5 centimeters green color paper and just cutting it from the top in zigzag manner using scissors. And this is done. Now just adding little glue on the edge, curling it from top using tweezers and then sticking it inside the pot or vase. Like this, it's looking very cute. Then our flower is also dried, so I'm just passing one wired pollen through this, add little glue, and super cute flower with the stem is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more flowers. So now just add little glue on the bottom of wires and tuck inside the foam. And the gorgeous pink color flower pot is ready. Looking so pretty. In the same way, I have prepared one more flower pot using yellow color strip with the same procedure, and one more using purple color strips. Instead of teardrop, here I have used leaf shape to create the flowers. Rest the process is same. Now to start with next pattern, here I am taking one strip of yellow color in 10 mm, folding it twice like this, and just start cutting it from one corner and creating the fringes. So fringe strip is ready. Now I'm sticking one dark yellow color 3 mm strip in one corner of the strip and start making the flower. So flower is ready, opening the fringes, and from back side I am covering it completely using glue. Also passing one wired pollen through this to create the stem, and flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared two purple and pink flower. Now I have already prepared one more flower pot, added foam inside this and just covered it using green color circle paper. Now I am tucking my flowers inside this. Now to create leaves, I am taking half strip of sap green color in 3 mm and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have already prepared some leaves. Now taking back my flower pot and I am just adding these leaves around the flowers in the base. So the super cute fringe flower pot is also ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more by adding 3 flowers. Now taking back my stand, which is completely dried, and now it's time to stick our flower pots with the base. So exactly on the top I am adding yellow flower pot, then I will add the remaining flower pots on left and right sides. Like this, so gorgeous. It's looking very beautiful, like a fresh flower stand, and you can just decorate your drawing room or kitchen or balcony using these beautiful lovely miniature flowers. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting eagerly for your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.